Is Stellar XLM ready for a major breakout soon? Stellar XLM is a sleeping giant coiled at a critical crossroads. The charts are screaming that a massive, earth-shaking move is imminent. But with a wave of fear washing over the entire market, the million-dollar question is, which way will it break? In this video, we're cutting through the noise to analyze the key price levels that could ignite a historic rally for XLM and asking if the project's fundamental story has the power to win the war against market fear. Welcome to Generational Wealth, your pathway from knowledge to legacy. All right, let's dive straight into the charts, because that's where the immediate story is unfolding. XLM has been trading in a tight range, consolidating around the 25-cent mark. This is an area traders are watching with laser focus, as it's near some important moving averages. What makes this so interesting is the structure that might be forming. Some chart analysts see potential long-term reversal patterns taking shape. Of course, these are just subjective interpretations of chart data, not guarantees. But when different patterns all seem to point in the same direction, it gets people talking about a potential breakout. The key immediate hurdles are resistance levels that analysts have identified. First, around 26 to 27 cents, and then a more significant zone at 28 to 31 cents. A decisive move above these areas could be the very spark that sets off a much larger rally. Now let's look past the charts to the real-world story. What could actually drive Stellar if it does break out? The fundamental case for Stellar has been getting progressively more interesting. First, let's talk about Ceruben, Stellar's smart contract platform. Its phased rollout represents a massive expansion of Stellar's capabilities far beyond simple payments, paving the way for a real DeFi ecosystem. To fuel this growth, the Stellar Development Foundation has committed significant funding to encourage developers to build on the network. These efforts are successfully attracting new projects and talented developers to the ecosystem. Recent protocol upgrades are part of a broader mission to significantly scale the network's overall throughput. And this brings us to partnerships, which are undeniably one of Stellar's key strengths. A prominent example is the integration with MoneyGram, which has created a major global cash-to-crypto on- and off-ramp network. This isn't just some pilot program. It's live, functioning bridge connecting digital assets to physical cash in many countries, including Canada, Kenya, the US, and the Philippines. Then you have Circle's USDC, one of the most trusted stablecoins in the world, which is native to the Stellar network. Beyond that, Stellar is part of the Mastercard crypto credential ecosystem, which aims to create verified and trusted interactions across different blockchains. We've also seen major institutional players like Franklin Templeton use Stellar for their tokenized money market fund, which is a powerful vote of confidence. If you're finding this analysis helpful, do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button for more deep dives just like this. So if the fundamentals are looking this solid, what's the catch? The reality check is the broader market mood. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index, for example, has recently been flashing extreme fear, with readings around 22 as of early December 2025. This shows that even with strong project fundamentals, investors are incredibly nervous, and capital often flees to safer assets like Bitcoin. This kind of overwhelming fear can be a major headwind for any altcoin. We've seen on-chain activity on Stellar showing strong signs of growth, with some metrics for operations and transactions hitting high levels for the year, but the price hasn't really followed suit. This suggests the market is still hesitant and watching from the sidelines. The key support level that many traders are watching is between 22 and 24 cents. If XLM fails to hold this zone in the face of market-wide fear, the bullish outlook could be significantly delayed, and a deeper price drop is possible. Competition from other blockchain projects is also a risk that can't be ignored. So what's the game plan for watching Stellar? It all comes down to a few critical price levels. On the downside, the crucial support area to watch is between 22 and 24 cents. As long as XLM stays above this foundation, the bullish outlook remains intact from a technical perspective for many analysts. On the upside, the first big test is breaking through the resistance zone that analysts have flagged between 26 and 31 cents. A confirmed breakout here could see the price move toward the next targets, which analysts have placed in the 42-43 cent range. Beyond that, a major signal for a long-term bull run would be a close above 45 cents. Looking further into 2026, some optimistic forecasts, like one from Fastbull, suggest a potential high of around $1.29. Though it's important to remember that predictions vary widely, Stellar is at a truly fascinating juncture. The technology, the real-world use cases, and the institutional partnerships are all showing incredible strength. The network's fundamentals are solid, yet the price remains stuck in a tight pattern, weighed down by the market's general sense of fear. The charts suggest a big move is brewing, but the direction is still very much up for debate. It's a classic standoff between nervous market sentiment and strong fundamentals. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your price predictions for XLM? You think the fundamentals are strong enough to power a breakout? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more content to help you navigate these crypto markets. For your trending topics and actionable crypto insights, visit our website at GenerationalWealth.biz. While you're on our site, visit the shop and grab a free copy of our Generational Wealth Crypto Blueprint and Beginner's Guide to Altcoins absolutely free. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a licensed financial advisor. This is for educational purposes only, and not financial or investment advice. Crypto is volatile. Ever invest more than you can afford to lose. Do your own research.